2004 Mercedes S55 was experiencing a lag in acceleration after about 1 or 2 pulls. When the car was cold and it would warm up, it would stop accelerating hard. It would accelerate, but it felt like it has half the power. So what happens is the intercooler pump fails, which is this part number. Here's the pump. This is the old one. Here's the new one. And this pump is no longer working. If you apply power to it, there is nothing happening. So what happens is this pump, the new one, is gonna do is it's gonna spin, and the intercooler temperatures are gonna be normalized, and that way the supercharger doesn't shut off. When the computer detects a high temperature, it won't go into a lean mode. The pump is located over here. You gotta remove the splash guards, and there are 2 hoses and a connector, and the pump pretty much slides out. You have to also replace this rubber bushing that comes for it, for holding it, and also this bracket that is secured with a 10mm bolt. It is a very common issue on most of these M113 cars, including that one, which I think that one is okay for now, but it is very common on M113k and M112k cars that came in SLK32, C32 AMG, SL55, in all those supercharged Mercedes. Very common issue. So if you have an issue with lagging and acceleration, check this pump, see if it's working or not. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. There are more videos to come soon.